Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to MKB Captain. I'm here back with another news of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S22 series. A new detail about the Galaxy S22 series have leaked. According to the reports, Samsung next flagship will be smaller than the current Galaxy S21 model, except for the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus have been tripped to feature a reinforced Polo cabinet plastic back panel too. The Samsung will probably launch the Galaxy S22 series in early 2022, but that has not stopped leaks and rumors about its next flagship smartphone from appearing online. According to the report, Samsung is settled on the display size for the S22 series, which will consist the standard model, the Galaxy S22 Plus and the 22 Ultra. Apparently, the Galaxy S22 will have a 6.1-inch display, with the Galaxy S22 Plus coming in the 6.5 to 6.6 inch. If these display sizes are correct, then it will mean that the S22 and the Plus will be approximately 0.1 inch smaller than their predecessor. By contrast, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will retain the Galaxy S21 Ultra 6.1-inch display size. Reportedly, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will also be the only Galaxy S22 series smartphone with an LTPO back panel. In a practice, this means that the Galaxy S22 and the Plus will be unable to vary their refresh rate. Matching the S21 and the Plus in LTPO back plan will allow the Galaxy S22 Ultra to dynamically change its refresh rate to match the content on screen, theoretically reducing power consumption. Additionally, Samsung has considered equipping the S22 and the Plus with the plastic back panel, presumably to help distinguish the Galaxy 22 Ultra from them. Arrogantly, Samsung will market the plastic material as a reinforced hollow cabinet, but this will still be a material downgrade for the 22 Plus compared to its predecessor. Plastic back panel are straighter and lighter than the Galaxy One stroke, so some people may perceive to switch the plastic as the good thing. So this is the latest report about the upcoming S22 series. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone? And also like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.